Hey Ate Beng, what can you say about the swimming pool in 7th floor resort? Very good. Yeah. Yeah. What about you, Sai? What about you, say the 7th floor resort?
Yes, yes, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
So dirty. Like that.
Asa yung magkapatid? Hey JR! What can you say about the 7th floor resort? Yeah? You like it?
Very good, very
Yeah.
funny.
Yeah.
Oh, dali swimming na lang.
Look at the water.
Look at the water.
It's dark.
Sila na beach.
Hoy, tama na yan. Asan na yung sila mo, Jaco? Umuwi na?
Ang gabi siya mamaya.
Hindi siya kayo umalis.
Kaya pa ako bibidyo rito eh. Malobat lang eh.